Truckerized Tune today. Truckerized.
Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Brian in Kansas on this Anytone Quad 6. Brian got it ready to go for you, bud. MOSFET upgrades, high voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrades, wideband transmit receive. This thing is rocking and rolling. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. In case you decide to run an amp one day, it does turn down to 2 watts, so it'll work out great for a 4-6 pill. Roll it up, 20 watts. Now you can run it right there if you want to run it barefooted. If you want to run it a little lower, you can. Let me show you average power swing. Hello. We'll call her 60 bird average. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 125 or 126 PEP. All right, Brian, I think you're really going to enjoy this radio, man. We'll get it out to you. If you got any questions, give me a shout. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.